Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about how you can record your screen. So you can download this, open, and I'm already streaming. You can see here. You just put play, and that's how you're streaming. It's for free app, I think. It's very good. You can go everywhere, and it will be recording this. If you want for game, for everything, you can use this application called AZ Screen Recorder No Root. It's good for recording screen, and you can talk. It's very good. Recensions, recensi, good here. People writing application as a demo for free. The rating has good application. In Czech Republic, spokojený. Thank you for watching. If you like video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I make sure I make another videos to again help you with anything else.